Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do the question answers of unit number 7 of class ninth. Name of chapter is Sultan Ahmad Masjid. Question number 1 of while reading questions is who started the construction of the Blue Masjid? Answer: Sultan Ahmad I started the construction of Blue Masjid. He ordered the construction of the masjid in 1609. However, he could not see its completion in his life. So his successor Mustafa I inaugurated it in 1616. It is situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey. Question number 2. In whose reign was the construction of the Blue Mosque or Masjid completed? Answer of question number 2 is the construction of Blue Masjid Sultan Ahmad Masjid was completed in reign of Mustafa I. It was inaugurated in 1616. Question number 3. For what purpose does a heavy iron chain hang there? Answer: a heavy iron chain was hung at the upper part of the court entrance at the western side. The chain was hung there so that the Sultan had to lower his head every time he entered the court. It was a symbolic gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of divine power. Question number 4 is where is the royal room situated? Answer: the royal room is situated at the southeast corner. It has its own pulpit that that used to be decorated with jade and roses. Sultan held meetings with his ministers and Imam of Masjid in that room. Now we are starting the exercise questions. Question number 1 is why is the Sultan Ahmad Masjid also known as the Blue Masjid? Answer is the Sultan Ahmad Mosque or Masjid is also known as the Blue Masjid because blue is the dominant color in the interior decoration of the mosque. It is one of the most impressive monument in the world. It is situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey. Question number 2. Who was appointed as the architect of the masjid? Answer: the royal architect Sedefar Mehmet Agha was appointed by Sultan as in charge of this project. He was the famous architect of that time. This masjid was completed in 1616. Question number 3 is what was the purpose of hanging a heavy iron chain? Its answer is the same as we have done in while reading question number 3. I read it again. A heavy iron chain was hung at the upper part of the court entrance at the western side. The chain was hung there so that the Sultan had to lower his head every time he entered the court. It was a symbolic gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of divine power. Question number 4 is how does the interior of the masjid look? Answer: the interior of the masjid looks very attractive. The interior of the masjid at the lower level is lined with more than 20,000 handmade ceramic tiles in more than 50 tulip designs. The upper part of interior is adorned with blue paint. The decorations include ayat from the Holy Quran. The floors are covered with carpets. Question number 5. Why do you think madrasa and hospice was part of the masjid? Answer: the madrasa and hospice were the parts of masjid because it was the custom of that time that the masjid was for the purpose of education, means learners of Quran, and hospice was for the purpose of needy students. and travelers. The last question is, who constructed Masjid Sophia? Answer: Masjid Sophia was constructed by Emperor Justinian I. Masjid Sophia was actually a Byzantine church which was constructed by Byzantine Emperor Justinian I. When this region came under the control of Ottoman Empire in 1453, Sultan Mehmed II ordered to convert this church into masjid. It remained masjid till 1931. Now, at present, it is used as a library in Turkey.